Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to reset your password on Bankwest Online Banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Bankwest Bank. Click on this first website over here. And on the top, we can see this login option and choose the type of login you want. So let's go for personal online banking for now. Now we need to enter our personal access number. And since we have forgotten the password, click on reset your password online. Now let's enter the personal access number here. Enter date of birth and enter the email address. And we need to simply click on next. And afterwards we'll get our code in our email address. Afterwards we can finally reset our password online. So that is all we can do to reset the Bankwest Online Banking password. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.